Hi, if you want to know how to create this cool looking satin columns in Embroideryware, just stay tuned and watch the video. Hello and welcome to a little short tutorial for Embroideryware. And I was asked to make a video for something I found out that I thought, okay, everyone knows, but no one did know this. Sorry about my English, it's not my native language. So the question was how I created the roots of my tree and with the fill pattern of the satin columns. So I created 2 satin columns, and to seam them a bit better. So you see, okay, here's a hard cut, and here too, and so on. And sometimes you want to merge some fills at the top or wherever, and the seam is not as good as you want. So I thought about, okay, how can I do this a bit better? And I found out that here the add stitches to line feature is a bit nice, and you get some cool effects, but okay, it's not that good that I wanted to. So I found out that here is some randomness that looks quite okay, but sometimes it doesn't seem good if you want to merge this to a normal fill. So I just added a fill just to show you what I mean. You see, okay, this will go straight here, and this is totally chaos, random zigzags. So then I found out, okay, what is the fill patterns for? So let's try out. And whoa, okay, what's this? I thought, okay, this might be cool. So, and I'm almost done. You can, sorry. You can adjust with the angel and so on, and yeah. The cool thing here is that the fill pattern flows with the satin. So if you have a look at here, the lines go here and they twist a bit. Here you can see it a bit better, so I can also change this a bit. I create this effect very often for some designs now for me, and this gives a very cool effect. And if you stitch this out, it get a bit better seamless looking effect. So for example, I did this for my yoga tree. I'll show you what I mean. Just short. Yeah, here you can see, here are all the satin columns, and here's the fill pattern. So the fill is always the yoga pose is always a fill pattern, and here I used this. I didn't know underlay yet because it's a new pose. Yeah, and if you have a look at here, sorry, you can see, okay, here's a bit more structure in it, and it also seems much better as a root from a tree. I did this also in the top. but you can also adjust a bit here with the fill pattern of the real fill. I just used, I think, this or this. Okay, one of this. I don't know why it fills the hole now, but doesn't matter. Yeah, with this you can have a look and try a bit. I think I used this because it's almost the same. And if you stitch this out, I will post a short picture of this stitch out in the video, so you can have a look what I mean, especially. And yeah, I hope you understand what I mean, and I hope you learned how I did it. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, just thumb up and subscribe, or yeah, I hope I will make more English videos if you like to. Yeah, just let me know if you like to, then I will post more on English language. So thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.